it's not easy to find number 10 or perfect. Sispan uthola number 10 ofana noMofokeng. Ukhona uPatrick Masangwanye, but uPatrick Masangwanye bafethu siyamazi une-talent, but uMasangwanye awunokwazi udependa kuye ba uzawuscora create week in week out. Any better premiership bafethu most plus ne-CAF Champions League kuzabakho 3 games most ngeveki. I-game Tuesday, i-game ngomgqibelo banyecawe, and then make i-game Wednesday. Masangwanye bafethu uyadeliver i-goal ne-assist, but akayenzi le way week in week out. I-consistency ayikho phana bafethu. Even ematchini uMasangwanye akakwazi ba available, babe visible for 90 minutes. So Orlando Pirates ayinokwazi udependa kuye. And then ukhona uKabelo Dlamini bafethu, who I forgot apha kule list. uDlamini bafethu was also a solution under uJose Riverio. Wayencedisana noMasangwanye ngezazikhathi. It also proves when ndithethayo ba uMasangwanye was not dependable to do this consistently. So him noDlamini babeshare i-minutes, but uAbdeslam Ouaddou khangamjonge nomjonga uDlamini last season. Ophazamisa before siqhubekeke, ndicela isupport, nishaye ulike okanye usubscribe. Nenye into sicela ningaskiphi i-ads xa zingena apha ke-screen. As i-content creators iyanceda kakhulu loo nto if aniskiphi i-ads. Inkosi bafethu. Machita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Orlando Pirates are moving clever. They have signed uMathome Molai as announced namhlanje on Far Post. Very credible journalist Leyana, Utshepo Rabote. So there are no question marks there. uMathome Molai from Leicester Ford City, Motsepe Foundation Championship. Lo Motsepe Molai is central midfielder, number 8, also can play as a number 10, attacking midfielder. Orlando Pirates are doing what they have to do, bafethu. Orlando Pirates before this one, Bibi Saine, any player that is a winger, they can also play as the number 10, which is Usiyanda Ndlovu from the Golden Arrows. Mofokeng is not going to be easy to replace bafethu. In fact, South Africa, Machita, it's very, very difficult for any team to sign and find a number 10. What you need from a number 10 bafethu is a goal creation plus net goal scoring. Mofokeng is not going to be easy to replace. Some of the best number 10s we've seen ki Sundowns, Lucas Ribeiro. Before yena Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane was scoring, but not that much. Lucas Ribeiro was scoring so much. Sundowns they replace Ribeiro. Nuno Santos akascore kangako, and to show that kunzima replace uRibeiro basayina even nomnye number 10 wesibini on top of Nuno Santos. Basayina uKatlego Ntsabaleng uTsiki. Now he's not scoring that much. Another best number 10 in South Africa has been Patrick Masangwanye, but he's not consistent enough. And then of course uRelebohile Mofokeng, who scored 9-10 goals last season, and then 11-12 assists. And Orlando Pirates have always struggled with the number 10 position bafethu. Before Masangwanye, Orlando Pirates have signed so many players. I mean, before Thembeko Siloch also was scoring lots of goals and creating lots of goals, Orlando Pirates struggling on number 10 position bafethu. Ontsako Makhubela zange succeed. Azola Chobeni, Thuso Mololeki from similar to Molai, was signed from NFD, Orbit College. Very talented number 10, but he could not deliver Orlando Pirates. Let's say the Kapinga, Kangalenzi Klesha. Ndaba Ithethwa Dlodlo was a success, but he was more like a number 8, number 10. Similar to the art Gqobosanwa namhlanje, uMathome Molai, limandla igama lakho mjida Mathome Molai, 8 sabu 10. And then Orlando Pirates assigned Patrick Masangwanye. Masangwanye wafika winger, wayiwinga kuSuperSport United, but Jose Riverio wabona kana 10 nansi solution Masangwanye mabe ngu10. So namhlanje Pirates siyabona kuthiwa isayine uMathome Molai 23 from Leicester Ford, alongside Usiyanda Ndlovu from the Golden Arrows. So a potential number 10 about to replace Mofokeng, which is clever from Orlando Pirates because you can't guarantee Oyiwan Wabo who's going to fill that role. So what you do is sign 2, and Orlando Pirates bafit up the bona ichinja formation up, which is clever how rebuild and trying to replace a player a generational talent bafethu. Mofokeng bafethu phana also replace goals or replace ingqondo bafethu, and it's very difficult to replace ingqondo kaMofokeng bafethu. Vision engqondo yakhe Mofokeng generational bafethu, iza kanye nge10 years 20 years. So iPirates apha Ouaddou angachinja formation apha in terms of rebuild a team after Mofokeng. Mofokeng, there's no question bafethu uyahamba uya overseas, and the Orlando Pirates ayino-signer i-attacking midfielders ezingaka kodwa eyazi by now Mofokeng. So yenye is-sign le Orlando Pirates rebuild under Mofokeng. And also in the libele bekhona uKarim Kimwiti, but naye mthetho khange be success number 10 position because he was not creating and scoring enough. So uwadu apha ndiyambona uba mhlawumbi angatshintsha i-setup i-system apha enze i-4-3-3 because of uMolai noNdlovu noMasindi Nemthajela nalelayithi uCameron Danson. So basically Orlando Pirates ngoku ine-talent eninzi ii-players edlala number 8 ezikwazi udlala number 10 okanye iwinga ifana noNdlovu ekwazi udlala number 10. So ngoku kwi-4-3-3 bafethu uyakwazi uspanisa ezi players ka-grand. Qha i-4-3-3 means uba Orlando Pirates izawudlala without unumber 10. I-4-3-3 eza 3 midfielders iba ngu-6 plus no-8 abayi-2 aba-advanced. Aba-8 abaya badlala more further because banumber 6 emva kwabo, and then aba-8 abaya benza yonke iway, badlala i-midfield, badlala i-attacking midfield, baya-create, baya-front ngela hlobo. So instead of uba no-number 10 uba na-8 abayi-2, i-4-3-3 ke le bafethu ayinayo number 10. Orlando Pirates ndiyibona izama enye yezo solution next season because it's not easy to find number 10 perfect. Sispan uthola number 10 ofana noMofokeng. Ukhona uPatrick Masangwanye, but uPatrick Masangwanye bafethu siyamazi une-talent, but uMasangwanye awunokwazi udependa kuye ba uzawuscora create week in week out. And i-Betway Premiership bafethu most plus ne-CAF Champions League kuzawubakho 3 games most ngeveki. I-game Tuesday, i-game ngomgqibelo okanye Ngecawe, and then i-game Wednesday. Masangwanye bafethu uyadeliver i-goal ne-assist, but akayenzi le way week in week out. I-consistency ayikho phana bafethu. Even ematchini uMasangwanye akakwazi uba available, babe visible for 90 minutes. So Orlando Pirates ayinokwazi udependa kuye. And then ukhona uKabelo Dlamini bafethu, who I forgot apha kule list. uDlamini bafethu was also a solution under uJose Riverio. Wayencedisana noMasangwanye ngezazikhathi. It also proves when ndithethayo uba uMasangwanye was not dependable to do this consistently. So him noDlamini babeshare i-minutes, but uAbdeslam Ouaddou khangamjonge nomjonga uDlamini last season. So again, le 4-3-3 uyayibona bafethu. If not uSiyanda Ndlovu plus nale out uMathome Molai ngaba 8 by 2 ngaba nguMolai noCameron Danson okanye ibe nguCameron Danson noSiyanda Ndlovu bafethu. Orlando Pirates kuzawuba mnandi bafethu xa sijongile uAbdeslam Ouaddou xa izama ufind le solution bafethu after uMofokeng. And bendichilo kamandi ki-previous video ba bafethu Orlando Pirates njengoba inosiyanda Ndlovu phana as a potential number 10, Orlando Pirates ayigqibanga. They have to sign another 1 or 2 attacking midfielders, and then 2 days later nansi signing iphuma bafethu uMathome Molai. I still think Orlando Pirates funeka iphinde izame on your number 10 again to make sure, because only 1 or 2 as players bafethu izoba success. Ingaba ibonus bazonke izoba grand. But yena uAbdeslam Ouaddou uzawuphela emthola ba okay jonga ngubani number 10, if not adlale on number 8 abayi-2 ba-advanced ki-4-3-3. uMathome Molai lo ufikayo, as I said bafethu, ijourney yakhe has not been that long. Umjida saqala umbona ki-Dondol Stars edlala ku-ABC Motsepe ngezazikhathi eGauteng. Umtshana wase-Alexandra eJohannesburg wadlala ki-Dondol Stars, joina i-JDR, wadlala phaa isizini ku-JDR. JDR yathengwa yi-Leicester City. And then uMathome Molai lo uyi-1 bafethu wasayinwa TS Galaxy last season. TS Galaxy ayakwazi umregisterisa umjida, ayakwazi ufumana i-clearance yakhe because la team i-JDR Stars ngoku yayithengisa i-status sayo to Leicester City yafumana i-players automatically, which included le out uMathome Molai. TS Galaxy yam-announcer uMathome Molai, but ayakwazi umregisterisha Leicester City and yamsayina on a free deal. Leicester City abisithi saphana imali, TS Galaxy ayakwazi. uMathome Molai wahlala another season last season iMotsepe Foundation Championship with Leicester City. Qhum ngoku Orlando Pirates. Like most central midfielders South Africa bafethu, umtshana is very very technical, skillful, indlela receiver ngayo ibhola, indlela release ngayo ibhola, indlela athena ngayo. Very exciting, elegant South African player bafethu. Uzalenza naxesha Orlando Pirates sizobona bafethu. So le deal ke manje is subject to the official announcement from Orlando Pirates bafethu. Nicela ngale signing bafethu ne replacement for Mofokeng basinqolo i-comments bafethu. And then bafethu ngo-August kuthiwa i-Betway Premiership ka-2026-27 to yaqala nge-first week ka-August bafethu. Lihlala phaa kwi-Football SA bafethu lizoshaya i-previews plus ne-match reactions ezintswembu bafethu. Ningasuki apha kwi-Football SA bafethu, izosuka uqala kwesizini yotsho kophela kwesizini bafethu. Zaba busy ne-match reports plus ne-match previews apha bafethu. Xa ningalibali usupporta ngo-like no comment. Moja bafethu.